Okay, I'm gonna just demonstrate here briefly our mapping function, how we use it to assign new clients and prospects to reps who are in the area, and also show you how quick it is to add that mapping function into pretty much any report or page in the actual application if you do need it. So up here is our unassigned leads. This is just a report that all it really says is show me any clients here that don't have a rep assigned. So you'll see here that gives you some brief information about the client. It's got some information, some notes here. We're going to go ahead and click map it. It's going to go ahead and go look and find everybody, I think, within a 2-mile radius of that client. And it's going to plot them on a series of points here, along with their statuses and some information if you click on them. So you can tell who the rep is, you can tell who the homeowner is, who's working around there. We can actually tell what status they're at here with this little key down here. If you want, you can switch it over to satellite view. You can actually choose to have that always show satellite view if you choose. And then you can go ahead and you can assign the rep here. So that's how we do that. Real quick, I'll take you back and I'll show you another report that doesn't have a map it function. Any report in here, like I said, anywhere that we could use this report if we wanted to. In fact, why don't I? So I'll go ahead and click full report here. This is the black-red report. We actually showed this briefly, I think, yesterday. Customize this report. This is how easy it is. So you can add anything you want in your reports. Any field that has data, we can report on. We can report on, we can map on, we can do whatever you want to with it. So I'm going to add that button to this report. It wasn't there before. We'll go ahead and generate back to our report. And we'll go ahead and click map it. And it'll show us all the clients that are near that report. This isn't a plan, so maybe there is, maybe there isn't some clients near here. It will take a second just to generate and go grab that data. It's a new report. Okay, so yeah, so here's all the people that are on that report, the black-red report, okay, are right here. So any spot that you think of that you want to report and map it, visibly show it, we can do that very simple, very, very easy. That's why RoofEEZ is so powerful. It's the ability to change and make the application fit you versus making your business fit the software. I'm going to just show here a couple functions that go along with the mapping function and assigning function. We can send anybody in the system that's part of your user list a text message or an email for any movement that goes on in the system. So let's say that we assign, this is something that we do quite often, say that we assign a rep, like in the last video here, we assign them to assign a client to them. It's going to immediately go ahead and send a text message. You see I just got 1214. And also it's going to send them an email with the same information. When it sends them the email, they can automatically click and it'll go right into that client, and they can mark them contacted or do what they need to do, see what they need to see. So just another neat function. Anything that you need to do in there, any movement in the system, you can send text messages, send emails, send alerts. So jobs getting submitted, jobs getting approved, getting invoiced, movements in the system, jobs getting moved over to production. We have alerts set up, we have text messages set up so that when we order materials, the assigned rep, he's supposed to go out and check those materials in. He gets a text message. We send the client an email when we've ordered the materials. When the client gets moved to build, we send our receptionist an email, and she makes a call to make sure that everybody's happy and that we've done our job. So any movement we can basically alert anyone at any point, and it's very easy to set these alerts up and calendaring up. So just another neat function with it.